Trading with a prop firm might be so challenging, like what I want to show you right now. This is the equity edge challenge that I've taken and what the outcome is currently. So that's what I want to show you. You can see I took the very first one with equity edge around 30th of May last year, and that account was blown. I failed the account. Okay, let me just try to show what really went wrong with that account. So I traded, number of trade I took with the account was 174 trades. You can see how massive that number was. Then my win rate is 0.71%. So I had a couple of losses right from the beginning. Then I have a couple of winners right from the beginning. Then later on, I started failing the account, dropping the account, moved back to almost break even, then dropped massively again before, blowing that account totally on the 18th of September 2024. So that is how I was able to trade that account till I blow the account, I failed the account. So going with the second one, where would I go? Okay. Going to the second account, which is this one here. So I've not been really consistent with my trading, with the way I trade actually. So I freed the account somewhere September last year. Then I took another one on the 11th. So let's see what we have here. So I started trading this one on the 19th of February this year. You can see this one is still it's still fresh. It's this year. I bought it this year and I filled it this year as well. I filled it around early March. Immediately I filled this one, I bought another one instantly. You can see this was still 87 trades and that's still 0.71%. You can see my win rate is still within 0.71. And as time goes on, I'll be showing what this other one that I just bought is going to result to. Is it going to be a failed one as well? Or will I just pass through this challenge and get funded? So this current one, this is what I have right now on this current one. I bought this current one, immediately I failed that one, and I just took only just 34 trades on it, and you can see I have an increment with the win rate. For the account is still fresh, and I'm up 14%. Though when I started the trade, I took a couple of losses, which is very, very bad. This trade here, I risked almost 2% on my trade here. Let me show you my record here. I have the record there. You can see the very first trade I took on that account was on Monday. So I lost almost, you can see, minus 1.7% on that account, which is very, very bad because my rule says I should only risk 1% of that capital on any trade. And here I over risk here almost 2% here. I lost almost 2% here. So fortunately for me, I was able to, bring up that account back to somewhere around 2,467. You can see it here as well. You can see the following day, I didn't trade on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, I was able to get 12%, is 0.5% of the account. I was able to get 19 that same day as well. So the trade I took that same day, that's Wednesday, gave me 32.08 dollar on that day, which results to about 1.3% for that day. You can see that was what I was able to get on that Wednesday. Then on the Friday, I got 10.20 on that Friday. Let me show that here. You can see on Friday, where is it? I think it was around this area here. So 14th of March, right? Yes, 14th of March. You can see I got 10.2 on that day, which was $10.2 on that day. Then the percentage was around 0.41% on that day. So that was how the week went. The week was on a drop down. I was able to get 42.28 from the loss of 44.29. You understand? So I was able to at least recover majority of the stuff. So I was only down with 0.06% on that week, which was very, very good for me. At least I almost break even. Then the following week, which was this week, I had a sell opportunity, but the trade wasn't going very fine. So I was able to get just $7.7 on that day. Then on Tuesday, that same Tuesday, I was able to get another one, which is your break-even trade. So I just got only just $8 on that day, which is equivalent to 0.32% for that day. So Wednesday, which was the day before yesterday, was a break-even day as well. today I had a win of 7.9 today. So market wasn't really moving very well. That is the current state of this account right now. The amount I'm using to get this to 5 account is not really that much. It's still something I can bear and I can risk. I think I bought this last one with $15 thereabouts. With the charges and everything, probably $16 to $17. I can afford to get bigger accounts, but I prefer to start small, which I will always advise people to do. Start small with something you can really afford to lose. Then as time goes on, when you get yourself, when you gain your ground, then you start scaling up little by little. And that is the best thing you can do for yourself. And that is what I'm currently doing now. I'm going with equity because they have the lowest in the market right now that I know of. They have the smallest account that I know of in the market right now. So going with the 2.5 is still the same. What you are able to implement on the $2,005 account, definitely when you get $100,000 account or $500,000 account, you will do the same thing with it. If you're unable to pass 2.5, there's no way you'll be able to pass 100. There's no way you'll be able to pass 200. That is what I'm trying to fight against and try to come up with something really, really nice and solid before I scale up into getting bigger accounts. So that is what I have here. So I was updating this series as time goes on. So let's see what Monday will give us. Will I be able to pass this phase one by next week, or what will be my fate? So let's see what this is going to be. Thanks for staying this long, and bye for now.